Flying domestic today on Turkish Airlines Business Class. Going to show you firsthand what it's all about. First things first, if you're flying domestic out of Istanbul Airport, look for the little word IC that has a little tail. It's pronounced İç in Turkish. That means domestic. Business class check-in is quick and smooth as expected. Bags are tagged right away, and that tag matters. I'm going to show you why. Security for domestic flights at Istanbul Airport is usually very efficient. Within minutes, you're through and heading toward the lounge. Just follow the Turkish Airlines logo signs for the domestic lounge. It's nice, clean, comfortable, not over the top like the International Business Lounge, but definitely a solid upgrade. The bathroom's modern, spotless, and well maintained. Food options are plentiful: cold starters, soups, fresh hot bread, salads, hot dishes. But here's one of the biggest perks. You don't leave the lounge to board. Business class passengers check in right inside the lounge. They don't even call your flight until the last minute, so you can work, relax, or even eat without hovering at a gate. When it's time, you're escorted to a private shuttle bus that takes you straight to the aircraft. No standing in long boarding lines, no crowding at the gate. Instead of the standard jet bridge, you board through a separate entrance quickly and smoothly. Once on board, the first thing you're going to notice is space. I'm 6'7". You can see the legroom. The seats are wide and comfortable. This is, of course, a newer model aircraft, so everything feels fresh and modern. They hand you a menu right away shortly after fresh juice is, of course, served. No complimentary alcohol like International Business Class, but this is a short domestic flight. The meal is surprisingly solid. Of course, Turkish hot fresh bread, a grilled chicken salad, and a classic Adana kebab. For a domestic flight, it's impressive. But honestly, one of the things I've always appreciated most, whether flying domestic or international in Turkey, is the hospitality. There's a genuine kindness in the culture. The crew feels attentive, warm, and sincere every time. After landing, that business class bag tag, well, it's going to come into play. Your luggage is always among the first out on the carousel. And that right there might be one of the biggest hidden values of the upgrade: saving time. By the way, probably the best advice I could give you while you're here in Turkey is consider getting your dental work done. What would have been a $25,000 dental procedure for me last year was $2,500. Turkey Travel Planner actually has compiled a list of the most trusted dental clinics, so click the link in the description for a quote. So is it worth the typical $200 to $300 more than economy? You're not getting an over-the-top luxury experience, but you are getting lounge access, streamless boarding, more space, a quality hot meal, first baggage out, and consistently excellent service. For me, I think it's worth the upgrade every time.